Mga boss, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa Barangay Rosario at mapapanood natin ang laban ng Competitive Division Purok 3 versus Purok 2. Knockout game po ito.
Shoutout na pala kay El Kakumpalan.
Cover po itong live ha. Mas hindi ko makakapagla po yung
Start of the ball game.
Committee game.
Rainbow.
Jambol.
Jambol. Watson. Watson. Dapat lang kay Baguio.
This is the partner's first points.
Magandang gabi partner. Ngayon lang na tayo dito.
Ako si Kong Lanita. Number 12 rebound Baguio. Pass number 11.
Winner automatically enters the semi-final round on Saturday.
Lakdan. Lakdan ng babasan. Pass number 8. Magbuo.
10 seconds.
Ready. Ready. Penetrate. Pass to Lakdan. Takes a 3. Lakdan. 3.
Ang galing. Ang Rusa. 5-0 natin score.
Sa tira ni Blake. Rebound kay Watson. Hingin Magbuo. Magbuo. Dribbling the ball. Magbuo center ka Blake. Pass to Relly. Relly to Lakdan. Lakdan to Baguio. Baguio sa baseline. Naglaban ng bola. Napunta kay number 8.
10 seconds.
Magbuo to Relly. Relly. Jumper. Mendes. Ito. Palaw Maria. Inabot ang bola. Palaw Maria. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Enriquez.
5-2 ang score. 8 minutes and 33 seconds left.
First quarter pa lang tayo mga kaibigan para sa ating competitive game. Ready with this. Rebound by number 8 na Hebe. Pass to Enriquez. Enriquez out and pass to Blake. Blake, bumangga. Hindi mo nasa kanila. Rebound by number 11. Lakdan ng Watson. Watson dribbling the ball. Watson, double team. Watson ang ito papasan. May pinawagan ng Prowler sa Prowler number 8. Lupe, setting the game. And they get pass to Magbuo. 8 seconds to shoot. Lakdan makes a 3. Lakdan! 3!
Recent score 8-2 in favor ng
Sports League 2025 on 20th edition. Tegasma, Umatake, Mendes, Iwan Belcagio, Brigade Langdan, Mactan Master number 26, the legend, Logan Master number 8, Magbo, setting the play. Magbo dribbling the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Magbo. Rodel Mendes, rebound by Melenga. Blake, diretso. Nakakuha ng foul. Luis Ibarra ng number. Number 88. Nabitawan ng bola. Offensive foul, tinawag ng ating referee. There's an offensive foul on number 88. Deep foul. Number 4, setting the game. Number 4, Alamaya 3.
Official score 10-8 to Manila Coaches Moctos.
Number 8, pulling the ball on pool. Langdan takes a 3. Mendes Atira. Rebound by Tegasma, the middle play. Blake. Mendes Atira, rebound by Langdan. Langdan again nagpapasama ng game ng pool. Magbo, setting the play, Castro, Diego, Wilson. Again, still by Palomaya. Palomaya,
5
Castro
minutes
play.
and 52 seconds.
Out of bounds. Save. Substitution, red substitution.
20 number 2, Rogi. Our winner will battle Jennings Sabado, semifinal round.
Number 12. Tegasma takes a break, Mendes. Nakatabigan ang natin ng bola. Tegasma ulit pass to Dong Ambay. Mendes pa rin.
Look at 2 points.
The legend is with 2 points.
12-8 to score.
Palomaya from pass to Tolentino. Tolentino! 3! Number 26, Logan pass to Enano. Enano setting the play. Official score 12-11. A set of points. Back to the ball game.
Laban Sabado Linggo.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Supplying the superstar. SK Bagang Rosario Sports Team. 20-21. Ready, setting the play. Pass to number 12. Pagyo setting the play. Pagyo. Ruben. That's up. Nothing but the net line. Number 26. Melvin, the legend Ruben. James Pinto. Official score 13-13. 1 point left from Burgos. Comes back. Mendes Atira, Melenga.
Wait lang sa
Nalika setting the play. Nalika na
Ten seconds.
Ruben.
last 2 minutes, 48 seconds.
Ruben the ball pass to Relly. Relly setting the play. Relly pass to Langdan, takes a 3.
Official score 17-13 for Manila Moctos.
Mendes, Melenga. Tolentino picks. Tolentino jumper sa gilid. Nakaka
seconds. Luke at the free throw area.
Silver play for the Major Legend.
Official score 20-15. 5-8.
3 minutes starting first quarter.
Tolentino.
Number 12, Pindes, rebound by number 9, Ilano.
That's ideal.
This is a Palawan rebound.
Yung commentator sa baba, pwede ko italimin at sa pwede.
Number 10, moving the ball. Left down Pindes. Out of bounds. Second issue.
SK Kagawad Nazarene, SK Kagawad Elizabeth Reyes, SK Kagawad Kylie, SK Kagawad Jiwa.
10 seconds to shoot. Lube sa baseline. Nakamihan fouls. Lube in the free throw area, shooting for 2. Shoutout po sa Villanueva Brothers.
Magandang gabi po.
Ayan yung mga players dati ng araw.
Lalo na kay Gary Villanueva.
Nasa
Mahal mo na kay Gary Villanueva. Super senior wrestler. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
ayaw ko na rin na ito po.
Tolentino
Ayun. Tolentino na
rejected. Nabutar pa na ulit.
Valentino. Valentino Bondas. Nabasbag. Pindes. Rebound by Maleno.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pindes pa rin. Rebound by Lupe. Lupe alantas na lang na.
Lakdan is in
Yes, the points by Lakdan.
20-18. Once again, this is the second knockout game. Ang mananalo po ay papasok sa semifinals.
Rebound by Willie. Pass to number 26.
Next game, competitive division po tayo. And juniors division tayo.
Lakdan starting to play. Pass to number 88. Willie starting to play. At the ground still.
Check my low. Hindi paalala po, bawal po magkalat sa paligid, sa loob ng court, bawal po maligiligaw, bawal tumura. Maraming salamat.
Muli po, shoutout kay El Capapalan TV.
Nasa na naman si Jipon.
Number 10, Relay, dribbling the ball. Last for Ronaldo Enano Jr. Santander dribbling the ball. Pass to Luque. Still with Luque.
This ball game is being brought to you by the FD Council ng Barangay Rosario.
Relay, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26. Easy 2 points.
25-17.
Last 50 seconds.
And we had the first quarter. First quarter back na tayo. Oh. Yun ang kato-kato. Sino dyan hindi o? Yung mga bata dyan sa progress, kung kayo dyan, nakakapakan kayo. Bala kayo. Kayo mga business rin.
Last 35 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot.
Enano Tutigil.
They got Plaza. 27-17, the bouncing Jerome Plaza. 15 seconds to shoot.
Blake, back to Santander. Tolentino.
10 seconds.
Blake takes it away. Mintes. De Guzman, Mintes. Enano rebound.
End of first quarter.
20,
Score 27-17 in favor of Purok 2.
Last 30 ang minute.
back to the ball games.
Second quarter.
Mintes Atera. Number 23 yan, kompleto na yung gadget ni Jordan. Meron na sa ulo. 10 seconds to shoot. Santiago. Santiago, umigot. Santiago. Shot clock violation. Naliga, umigot. Pasok, 2 points.
Official score 27-19. 8-point lead ang Bordeaux.
Number 23, Jordan. Naliga. Jordan pa rin. Kapag sa number 1, Apil. 88, Benji. Troubling violation.
Last 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Vallejo, pass to Guzman. Guzman sa baseline. Pinapatay ni Baguio. Pinapasa bola sa Santander to Naliga. Naliga floater. Vites. Rebound by Melvin Murte. Pass to Jordan. Santiago dribbling the ball. Santiago bumaga. Pituwi siya. Vites. Ito si number 5. Santander dribbling the ball. Pass to Guzman. Sumaksak. Nakakuha ng Naliga, Vites, rebound by Jordan. Santiago, setting the play, pass to number 12. Baguio, tumakbo. Api, jumper. Handa sa tira, may movement kayo. Pasa, 2 points by number 26. Half remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Official score 29-19.
Blake, umigo. Bumana shot by number 23. Blake.
29-28 ang ating score. The original Madam Complex.
Apil sa rin ang Blake. Tumakbo. Magbo, dribbling the ball. Pass to Apil. 10 seconds to shoot. Lubre. Magbo.
5 seconds.
Tewa. Paso. 2 points.
31-23 ang ating score.
Vallejo to Blake. Takes a 3.
Blake, quickly rejected.
Rebound by Baguio. Apil dribbling the ball.
6 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Apil setting the play. Pass to number 23, Santiago.
Sabena.
Santiago.
Sabena.
Santiago to Baguio. Midlay Santiago, rebound by number 23. Outlet pass to Santander. Santander dribbling the ball. Pass to Naliga. Naliga picks. Naliga Santander to Naliga.
Yung lima din ako sa
10 seconds to shoot. Midlay Santiago.
Oh!
Outlet pass. Time remaining 5 minutes and 56 seconds on the first half in the second quarter.
With 31-21 points ang ating score na Bordeaux.
Magdan, waits. Pagkala siya, pinapatay ng Guzman, bigay kay Santiago, 10 seconds to shoot. Check by Blake, laban na kay Guzman, Palo Maria Mendez. Apil ang rebound, bigay kay Magbuo. Magbuo, dribbling the ball, pass to number 23, Santiago to Luque.
Yesterday na shot. Bordeaux, 33-21.
Mahalaga po, kupunan ng Burgos.
Muli birthday greetings sa ating birthday.
Number 12, umigaw to Guzman, kita sa bola. Naliga to Vallejo. Palo Maria takes a 3. Mendez. Ay tinawagan ng
33-21 lawag po ang Bordeaux.
first shot is good by number 12, Guzman in the free throw area. Number 2, para sa number 12, Guzman. Official score 33-23. 5 minutes left at the end 23, Natamigan, Divismas.
Ang ating SB Chairman.
Number 4, Molenio, Calataria, Anya Castatira, Number Pounds.
Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Official score is currently 26. Pagbate sa mga taga-putol, magandang gabi po sa nila.
Number 10, Willie, dribbling the ball. Willie, no pass, Philippine. Do not pass to Melvin Mugre. Umahon pasok, number 26, Mugre, 2 points.
Pagbati kay Ate Maria, Kuya Raprabante na minamahal na prinsesa, magandang gabi po. At Dos, magandang gabi din po. Saka ng Villanueva ng Purupes.
Marcel, 2 points by number 33, Namasbag. Number 11, Lactan, setting the play. Number 23, dribbling the ball, pass to number 10, Ray.
Ang ingay.
10 seconds to shoot. Right. Nice now. Number 1, Lactan takes a 3.
Okay. Our winner will follow Jelly's on Saturday.
Namasbag, setting the play to Divisman. Divisman takes a 3. And now, rebound by Palawaga, Molenio. Vintes. Appeal on rebound by 18, Jordan. Jordan Santiago dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26, Mugre. Yo.
Pagbati sa mga mahal mong tunay, magandang gabi. Ang bago mong mahal,
Bago ka pa pala, balita yan. Nakalive tayo ba? Nakalive tayo, may bago ka.
pagbati kay Ricky.
Yo, binawi.
Pwede naman, may gawin.
Yung talaga ang mahal na tunay, di ba? Number 10, Pampas Guapin. Rejected to the data from Jacapin. Binawi the boys using the bar glass by number 1.
And this vlog is being brought to you by Shady's Pizza.
And Boss Allen TV.
Back to the walking, the
Number 23, Blake takes a 3.
41-31 ang ating score. With in favor ng Portos.
Number 10, Portos. Using the bar glass by number 10, Alvin Relly.
43-31.
Number 4, Molenio Pampas. Out of bounds.
Wala ka ng pag-ibig.
Wala nang pag-ibig yun. Valentino takes a break. Valentino!
Alam mo, mas dito pa lang sa meron ng sulay.
Number 10, dribbling the ball. Ready. Pass to Lactan, takes a 3. Vintes Antino, rebound by number 4, Molenio.
34.
Number 23, Blake. Pass to Valentino. Vintes. Nagkatabigan, Blake. Offensive putback by Blake.
Ayan na. 36.
Number 1, Apin setting the play. Apin. Nakakuha ng...
Huwag na ingay habang naglalaro ako ng tayo. Magandang gabi po. Back to the walking. Pagbati sa mga Spartanoy ng Greenland. Magandang gabi po.
Vintes Antino. Last 8 seconds. Offensive putback by number 12. That is down.
Going to be 38.
Rally dribbling the ball. Pass to Jordan. Jordan Ubigo. Pinasa na sa Malacan. Ito na si Tolentino. Binigyan Molenio. Rally yung pass to Blake. Vintes. Molenio. Pass to Puta. Molenio sa ilalim.
40 in favor of Purok 2.
Nakalay, magandang gabi Pilipinas, magandang gabi Barangay Rosario, kami po
Third
ang
quarter.
SK ng Barangay Rosario. This smoking family is for an SK Marathon Varsity 2025.
Kumukuha ng mga magagandang shot. Pasyatin nyo kami. Number 8, Brooklyn Ball. The rest of the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Brooklyn. Lovely violation.
Sana din yung
Number 7, Calamaria setting the play. William takes a break. It takes. Aurelio. Ang ganda naman ang pasa. Hindi na kompleto. Yun. Pesin putak by number 12.
Morning sa napakalamangan ng Burgos.
Inano, pass to Baguio. Baguio setting the play. Baguio bigay kay Inano. Ronaldo Inano Jr. Vites at tira. Rebound by Aurelio. And then pass to Jake. Inano setting the play. Basket is down. Number 26, Lou Brando, Bridgewater area. That is hindi na kompleto. Rebound by Blake. Pass to number 7, Palomari. Palomari dribbling the ball.
MVP contender, Palomaria.
Blake. Jumper. Midex. Nagkatabi nga rebound by Magbuo. Magbuo pass to Inano. Inano dribbling the ball. Ronaldo Inano Jr. setting the play. Baguio. Midex.
Kasi sini ko ni Michelle.
Number 4, pass to number 23, Blake. Too short. Look it up. Number 4, Blake. Blake. Nasa punta ni Magbuo. Out of bounds.
Wala kasi yung tabi.
Number 26, starting to play.
45-44.
Look at this. Rebound by number 33, Mosman. Pass to Palomaria. Palomaria dribbling the ball to Moleños. Moleños. Nakataging pass to William takes a three. Ang nasa tira.
Gaano kalakas?
Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9, Ronaldo Inano Jr. Mites. Nagkatabigan. Out of bounds. Substitution is setting the play. Takes a three. And now, again, the red ribbon. Offensive putback by Lumen, the legend. Talagang ganun ang nalawan yan. Dati pa. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 33, binigay kay Palomaria. Palomaria setting the play. 8 seconds to shoot still. Lakdan, dribbling the ball. Pass to Rally. Rally setting the play. Rally binabantay ni outlet pass to Baguio. Baguio to Lugne. Lugne nakabuelo. Lugne umikot. Mintis ang tira. Mga nalagod. Number 7. Lumabos back. Iyap. Basta po guys. Back to the ball game. Number Inano setting the play. number 10, perfect finish complete. Number 12, setting the play. Number 96, pass to number 12. Number 96, Enriquez. With this, rebound by Lubre. Number 10, Kelly. 5 seconds to shoot. Lubre, Enriquez. 24 seconds shot clock.
Loko. Wow, mali.
Talo kaya. Number 26, using the point last basket. Pass up for my play, official score 52-46. Number 5, dribbling the ball, Santander setting the play, pass to mouse back. Back to Santander, piniling game mouse back, takes a 3. It is the ball out of bounds. Number 9, Enano, dribbling the ball. Enano setting the play. Enano, pass to Lubre. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. One foul, there's the foul number 23. Push that to win by number 12, Baguio in the free throw area. Blake dribbling the ball. Blake umatake. With this. Rebound by Molino. Now Owen Jordan. Napunta kay Blake. Sumunod na naman. Yes. Hindi na po napupuno ang tubig sa ilog. Pasok. 3-point play. Shot no good by Jordan in the free throw area. Split on his charity by number 23, Santiago.
53-49.
Santander setting the play, pass to Mamaspan.
15 seconds.
Back to Santander setting the play. Santander, take 6. Takes a baseline. With this rebound by Lubre. Lubre pass to number 23. Jordan pass to number 12, Baguio. Baguio back to Santiago. Santiago, Matake. Napunta kay Apin. Apin using the third glass.
Wala pa kaya lang.
Kitang-kita sa camera. Nag-leg pa. Number 5. Pass to number 23, Blake. Number 96. Pasok the boys by Enriquez.
Iglesia Sotolia, home run. 55-51.
Lubre selling the play. Pass to Baguio.
Lamang po ang Torontos with 4 points.
Baguio dribbling the ball.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Baguio. Baguio, Michelle. Inagawan.
Nagkakaputan. Best pass to shoot. Center setting the play pass to Enriquez. Enriquez taking his shot under, takes a three. Second
Shout out tayo, former MVP James Espinosa ng Porcico, magandang gabi ng kamay mo, Richo Mokadi.
and now setting the play pass to Ortiz. 5 seconds to shoot. Still, lay up the pass to Santander. Santander, pass to number 12, number 3, Enriquez. Bringing in number 12, basket is down.
Verbelo, magandang gabi. Pagbati dito, dating kapitan. Santos, magandang gabi po.
Number 9, Ruben Bro. Number 9, setting the play pass to Apin. Apin to Lakdan. 10 seconds to shoot. Lakdan takes a few minutes. Moleño, Ruben Bro.
Moleño, former MVP, Musquila Division.
Out of back to the bogey.
At sa ating pong pagpapatuloy, nagpatuloy sa paglalakad ang number 14 na nakasalubong sa Samuel.
Number 12, dribbling the ball. There's man. Blake takes the play. Vitesse, rebound by Enano. Enano akan pass to Luque. Luque Bumelo. Nakuha ng pangit, nakita sa camera.
Hindi ka babalik ni Ate Kyla Dailin. Magandang gabi po.
First shot is good by Mel. There's Nick on his charity.
James Paper. 57-56, 1.8 lang.
James Paper na yung official score 57-56.
Alam mo kung ano ito lang. Ayan na!
Sure lang nila.
Ayan na!
Wala pa rin.
Bring out
Sa laya sa Guzman.
Luke Rebelay kayo sa Magbo.
Magbo, Talagdan. Enano.
15 seconds.
Enano. Ang kamigan.
Kami kay Luka.
Number 8, Magbo. Kasot 2 points. 1 minute left.
And we end the third quarter.
Number 12, dribbling the ball.
Ang tagal ng laban.
Pass to number 5. Vitesse. Moleño. Pinapabola namin kami Magbo. Magbo ang pass to number 11. Lakdan to Luque. Luque, pass to number 1. Api, pinalik kay Luque. Luque at Luque, using the point glass.
Busa. 61-56. Pagbagi kay Ballesteros.
Number 8 on rebound. Magbo, dribbling the ball.
15 seconds.
Vitesse at nila. Number 23, Blake takes a three. Blake!
1 second.
End of third quarter. Score 61-59 in favor of Borokdos.
Makalawin.
Fourth quarter.
Back to the ball games.
Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Totoy Hunya. Boss Totoy, shoutout sa'yo.
61-59, 15 seconds to shoot.
Number 23, 10 seconds to shoot.
Grabe rin.
Next game, Juniors Division. Silent na counting po, Jerry.
Number 8, pass to Lakdan. Lakdan starting the play. Lakdan dribbling the ball. Lakdan, pass to Luque. 8 seconds to shoot. Luque, pasok, Luque. Favorite shot.
63-59. Pagbati kay John Ennis. Kay John.
Number 24, Tolentino takes a three. Out of bounds.
Hindi kasi parang hindi kasi
Shoutout po sa may-ari ng Baseball Grounds, Kuya Raymond. Shoutout sa'yo.
pagbati ko kay Jude Cruz ng Roberto Moleño.
Moleño, easy for points.
63-61.
Ang putol the ball, pass to Luque. Nagiging lakdan, binabantay ni Bang Amay. Set by Blake. Blake still. Mag-roll to Luque. Luque, nakawala ng foul. So, missing Blake.
Malapit purple ba ito? Of course, alis natin mga SK Kagawad. Nakasama natin ngayong gabi, SK Kagawad. Nathan Santos, SK Kagawad, Kyle Cadenas, SK Kagawad.
Number 2.
Reyes and SK Kagawad Dana.
Officials,
Para
65.
mas mo ni SK Kagawad Dana. Magandang gabi po. Yeah.
Number 23, rejected. Pinatatapan lang ang inabot.
Uyante, magandang gabi po.
Number 1, holding the ball, starting the play. Nalika, ball pass to Tolentino. Tolentino, back to Nalika. 5 seconds to shoot. Tolentino sa baseline. Ilabas kay Tolentino. Hurry up with this.
May 7 po.
Rebound by Masbo. Pass to Relly.
The legend.
Relly holding the ball, pass to Lagdan. Lagdan, penetrate with this.
Rebound by
Tapos 5. Holding the ball.
last 7 minutes and 50
Number
seconds.
12, Negasman drop pass. Agad galing na 2 points.
65-63 ang ating score.
Ang ganda na laban, tigit na tigit po.
Last 7 minutes and 38 seconds.
Rally holding the ball, pass to Magpulay! Boy! Huli na!
Ayan na.
Number 1, holding the ball. Nalika starting the play. Molino takes a three with this. Rebound by Ronaldo Inano Jr. Pass to Santiago. Santiago. Luque. Jordan, ang ganda ng pasa. Inano. Nakakuha ng foul.
Bonus shot for Gaynor Miguel. Therefore,
Pinapatawagan sa akin yung bilhin na
pagbakas ni Gaynor. Enano.
Nandito ka.
i-respect.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 4 seconds.
Hindi ka pa po sa akin mo. Ano ba nga ang chairman? The chairman. Oh. Gaya pasto everyone. Ang dami.
Number 12, biggest man. Gasol, 2 points.
Lahat ng namarumana. Ang galing. Usay. Magkakata na ng tubig. Wait, that's a one.
Jordan holding the ball.
15 seconds.
Enano with this.
Well, only the legend knows.
Number 44 to number 7.
Ball jump.
Number 44, with this. Molino. Lakas na rin Molino. Nakuha ni Mulo Maria. Back pass to Blake. The winner. Rejected na naman.
Oh.
First shot, number 8 by number 23. Blake in the free throw area.
Nervous naman ang mga nanay. Rejected. Boleño. James Favor.
Vince Wingo, official score 67-66. Luque, dribbling the ball. Luque tinanggal, easy to points.
68.
Vince Wingo.
Kanina na lang po naman. Last 5 minutes and 37. Sino ang papasok sa kasama? Ano?
Number 44, Pinesa, number 7, number 23, 10 seconds to shoot. Palo Maria to Tolentino Pinks, 5 seconds. 3 seconds, violation.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Score, 68-67 in favor
Ball
of
goes Alan. Baguio inbound. Pass to number Number 23, Jordan, bringing Baguio.
5 minutes and 40
Baguio
seconds.
to Rally. Rally dribbling the ball, still by Moleño. Moleño, easy to goal.
Kings Mayor. Alam mo naman mga progress.
Number 12, Baguio, bringing Lagnan to Rally. Rally setting the play. Rally, pass to Enano. Enano is setting the play. 8 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds.
Really? Lagnan gets it free. Yes. Moleño moving the ball. Moleño pass to number 23 play. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a flying foul.
Your lessons learned na dapat hindi nakalimutan. Ano? Wala na naman tres. 72-68. James Mayor. Nakakuha po ang
Number
tres.
11, Lagnan moving the ball. Nagsisigawan ng kabila ng Complex Hills. Mindes na rin ang Lagnan. Overbounds.
Anin kayo. Basketball game. Okay, atras po tayo lahat.
8 seconds to shoot. Lapid. Mindes. Reset.
Kickball. Kicking the ball.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
Nakakuha ang turong tres. 72-68.
10 seconds to shoot.
Balikan tayo.
Number 9, setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Yule. Here is Isabella. 8 minutes to Jordan. 3 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds.
24 seconds.
Nag-dribble.
Dito, hindi kayo.
Number 7, dribbling the ball. Alongoria setting the play.
8 minutes and 30 seconds. Balikan na po. Last 3 minutes. 30 seconds.
May tinawagan natin referee masusunin. Official score. 75-68. Ngayon na po kukunan ng Complex Rules. First shot is good.
75-69. Favorite number na ninyo, 69.
To number 2, para kay Jordan Santiago.
75-70. Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Tabo. Former MVP, MVP contender, the legend, Baka Complex. Video. Back.
Number 7,
10 seconds.
Pegasman Mindes. Rebound by Lapid. Pass for Jordan Santiago. Dribbling the ball. Jordan. Nakalisip. Mindes ang kanya. Nawala pa rin ang kaya. Santiago tayo na nagbubuka. Pasok!
Ayan na. 75-72. Last 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Pagbati sa mga The Legend, sa mga tikas ng Pasig.
Number 7, setting the play. Pegasman dribbling the ball. Pegasman naman namin. Takes it away. Valentina Mindes. Blake on rebound. Blake pass to Moleño.
Bantay.
Last 2 minutes. His last minutes in Gabriel Bakay. Puto Makaka. Oh! Ayan na, natinubuhan na ng purong tres. Umano na ang laban kasi umiinit di ba sa lahat.
Nakuha pa.
10 seconds.
It was for 12, it was Scott.
Rolenio. 79. Michelle, yung aso nyo, Michelle. Huwag ka na yan, pati aso.
Remaining time 1 minute and 26 seconds. Score 74-79 in favor of Purok 3.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Approve. How fast to do it? Basic time, the other referee. There's a
79-74. Ay, Kuya Bebe. Magandang gabi po, Kuya Bebe.
Vallejo setting the play, last 60 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds.
Let's go.
Ayan na tayo.
Walang foul.
Seconds left.
Last 32 seconds.
Kaya pa yan, 18-75.
Number 12 setting the play.
32 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 15 seconds.
Kenda. Kenda the shot.
81-77 in 12 seconds. 5 seconds.
End of the ball game. Score 77-81. Winner Purok 3. Mga boss, hanggang dito na ang aking vlogs at huwag niyong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel, Boss Alan Vlogs, at isama niyo na rin ang Ka-Journals Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay.